Well, hello, and welcome to my course. Now, I know what you're saying. What am I going to learn in this course, Mark? Well, I could tell you, but there's going to be serums, body butters, body frappe, whipped body butters, facial serums, hair conditioning treatments. I mean, look, why don't I just show you? You know what time that means? It's whipping time. And you can see that beautiful. Bath bombs, what you gonna do? And, look at that. Our exfoliating coffee melt and pour soap. So there I was last night, lying in bed, thinking about virgins. Your exfoliating shower scrub bar. Squeeze it into your containers. We are going to lip balm land. Look at that. No more chemical deodorants. I screwed up. Did someone say vanilla infused jojoba oil? Oh yeah, that was me. Alright, prepare to have your mind blown. Imagine this lip balm and the oil is coffee infused. I feel pretty. Maybe it's not so complicated. That's right, we are taking on a journey for natural, chemical-free, preservative-free beauty products. You're going to learn your body butters, deodorants, clay masks, body scrubs, foot scrubs, serums for your skin type. What are the best essential oils for your skin type? Everything is here in this course that you need, that you never have to buy another beauty product to moisturize, to cleanse, to tone. It's all there for you. It's easy to do. I'm going to show you step by step. I'll take you through everything, how to sanitize your products, how to extend the shelf life, everything you need to know to make these gorgeous, beautiful products for your body.